Hey everybody, this is Dustin, the RV Specialist. Welcome back. So today I'm looking at a brand new 2026 Grand Design Reflection. It's a 260 RD. And so what I'm gonna recap is some stuff that we've already removed on it. So this particular customer came in, they've got a turning point Kurt hitch, and the turning point Kurt hitch was at a weird angle and was making the most horrific screeching noise when it would turn, right? So as the customer dropped off, we looked and they had a, oh shoot, I can't think of what you call it, the guide plate or the locking plate that goes into a B&W. So they had the plate that was on here bolted into the frame of the pin box so that it locks out the fifth wheel head so that this Kurt turning point could swivel here instead of up here. Well, the particular hitch that they put in at the dealership was basically the wrong hitch. So they had a short bed pickup truck. I don't remember if it was a Ford or a Dodge, but they had a short bed pickup truck, had a B&W hitch, and it really had no side to side or back and forth movement like that. It was just a fixed, and it was a slider, and it was a manual slider. So every time this guy had to go out and take a sharp turn, he was either having to rely on the turning point clearance or get out and manually lift up the handle to slide the hitch back itself in order to make those turns. So now what we're doing is we're taking that hitch out here on Wednesday, and today is Tuesday, the June 23rd. So we're going to be taking that hitch out on another video, and we're going to be installing a Dimco auto slider in there. We've took off the wedge, and then we've locked the turning point system. So up here you can see the bolts. These get torqued to, if you didn't know, at 200 foot-pounds. At least that's what the instructions from Kurt says. So we've put those in place. So now that's a fixed head, and then we're going to get them squared away. Because of the distance of it, it was causing this weird buckling, which was also the customer saying, you know, hey, check my suspension. So this also has that new Kurt suspension, and everything he felt like all wiggly waggly. Well, we assume that most of that started in this area because of the, I don't know what you would call it, the geometry or whatever of the design of it. So anyways, make sure that you're double checking that you have the right hitch for the right truck, and that you have the right, you know, whether it be a pin box or the right application, because we see this kind of often where people have modified stuff, and you know, some of it's just lack of knowledge on the dealership side, or you know, the salesman saying, hey, this is the one to go with, or you know, brands, right? So we're not ever hung up on brands here, right? So it's not really like a Pepsi, Coke, Dr. Pepper, 7-Up, Sprite thing. We try to find the right product for what your application is using. So all right, well, stay tuned for more. Again, this is Dustin, RV Specialist, and you already know, if you haven't joined our Grand Design Facebook group, it's a Grand Design RV Owners Maintenance and Repair in the RV Shop with Dustin. We're at 56,600 plus as of today followers. We encourage you to join there. And, you know, don't just share your complaints and your problems and stuff like that. Share some of your guys' trips. You know, we're all here working hard. We want to see where you guys are going so we know where to go camping when we're not out here working on these bad boys. And then also share, you know, if you've made any improvements, if you have any weird things going on with them, or if you've, you know, done any modifications or upgrades or cross supports like this guy or anything extra, let us know. All right, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, RV Specialist. Guys, stay safe and have a great time camping.